Good morning, children. Welcome to English class. Children, in our last session, we have discussed lesson 6, A Visit to Granny. We have discussed about play with words. In today's session, children, we will discuss grammar fun. And in today's session, we are going to learn about articles a, an. We are going to learn about how to use a and an. Bit F, children. Choose the words that begin with A, E, I, O, U. So here the pictures are given and the names of the pictures are given. So here you have to choose the words that begins with A, E, I, O and U. So A, E, I, O, U are called as ovals. In English, there are total 26 alphabets are there. Out of 26, A, E, I, O, U, 5 alphabets are ovals and the remaining are consonants. So here, choose the words that begin with A, E, I, O, U. Choose the words that begin with A, E, I, O, U. Now here the first picture is igloo and the spelling of igloo is I-G-L-O-O, igloo. And the starting letter of igloo is I. So tick igloo, children. Here the first letter is I. So tick the word. Now next second one, pan. P-A-N, pan. So the starting letter is P, leave it. Now third word is umbrella, U-M-B-R-E-L-L-A, umbrella. So here the first letter is U. Take the word umbrella, children. Now next fourth one, ant, A-N-T, ant. The starting letter is A. So take the word ant. Next fifth one, mango, M-A-N-G-O, mango. So the starting letter is M. M is a consonant. So leave the word, children. Now next, sixth one, elephant, E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T, elephant. So the beginning letter of elephant is E. E is a oval. So take the word elephant, children. Next, seventh one, rainbow, R-A-R-A-I-N-B-O-W, rainbow. So the starting letter of rainbow is R. R is a consonant. So move on to eighth word, woman, W-O-M-A-N, woman. Here also W is a consonant, so leave the word, children. Now next, last word, ninth one, octopus, O-C-T-O-P-U-S, octopus. The starting letter of octopus is O. O is a oval, so tick the word octopus. Now here, the words that begin with A, E, I, O, U are igloo, umbrella, ant, elephant, octopus. Okay, these are the words that begin with oval letters. Now next, bit G, children, use an with the words beginning with A, E, I, O and U. Next, use A with the other words. That is, write an for the oval letter words and A for the consonant letter words. Okay? So, you have to write an before the oval letter word and A before the consonant letter word. So, here the first one is done for us, children. An igloo. So the starting letter of igloo is I. So an is written. An should be written before oval letter word. And A should be written before consonant letter word. Okay. Now we will do the second one, children. Now here, igloo, umbrella, ant, elephant, octopus begins with the vowel letters, whereas pan, mango, rainbow, woman begin with the consonant letters. So, A should be written before consonant letter word. So here the first one is vowel letter word. So an is written. Now see the second one, children. Here the second one is pan, and the spelling of pan is P-A-N, pan. So the first word letter P is a consonant. So circle pan, children, as it is a consonant letter word. So A should be written before the consonant word. So write A, pan in the blank. Now next, U is there, umbrella. The starting letter is U. So U is a vowel. That's why write an umbrella. An umbrella in the blank. Okay. Now next, fourth word, children, ant. A is a vowel. So what we have to write? An ant. Write an ant in the blank. Now next, fifth word, mango. Now mango, the beginning letter is M. M is a consonant. So write a mango in the blank. A mango. Next, sixth one, children, elephant. So here the starting letter is E. E is a vowel. So write an elephant. An elephant in the blank. Next, seventh one, children, the word is rainbow, and the starting letter is R. So it's a consonant letter word. So write a rainbow. Write a rainbow in the blank. Now next, eighth one, woman. Okay, here woman. The starting letter is W. W is a consonant. So write a woman in the blank. A woman. W-O-M-A-N. Woman. A woman. Now the last one is octopus. So the starting letter is O. O is a vowel. So write down an octopus. An octopus. Okay. That is about big G, children. So here, an igloo, a pan, an umbrella, an ant, a mango, an elephant, a rainbow, a woman, and an octopus. Okay. Now next, bit H, children. Here, fill in the blanks with a or an. Fill in the blanks with a or an. Here the blanks are given and you have to fill the blanks by using a or an. So just now we have learned that before the vowel letter word you have to write an, and before the consonant letter word you have to write a. So here the first question is, the king rides dash elephant. So A, E, I, O, U are the vowel letters. Now any letter that begins with A, E, I, O, U, so you have to write an before it. Now here elephant, the starting letter is E, so write an in the blank, children. Now the sentence is, the king rides an elephant. Second one, grandpa sits in dash chair. So chair starting letter is C. C is a consonant. So write A in the blank. Okay. Now the sentence is Grandpa sits in a chair. Okay. Now third one, children. Granny has dash duck and dash owl. Granny has dash duck and dash owl. So here duck starting letter is D. D is a consonant. Write A in the blank. Next owl. Starting letter is O. O is a oval. So what you have to write, children? Before the oval you have to write an owl. Write an in the blank, and the sentence is Granny has a duck and an owl. Okay. Now the last one, children. The duck laid dash egg. The duck laid dash egg. Egg. The starting letter is E. E is a oval, so write an in the blank. Okay. So the answer is the duck laid an egg. Now once we'll read all the fill in the blanks. All of you read along with me. The king rides an elephant. Second one, Grandpa sits in a chair. Third, Granny has a duck and an owl. Last one, children, the duck laid an egg. Okay, that is about bit H. Fill in the blanks. Next, writing, children. In writing bit K, talk to your grandmother or grandfather. Find out the following. Talk to your grandmother or grandfather. Find out the following. So here few questions are given. That is, what is the name of your grandmother or grandfather? Where was she or he born? What is his or her age? Where does she or he live? So, you ask your grandfather or grandmother and write the answers in the blank. That is, what is the name of your grandfather or grandmother? Where was she or he born? What is her or his age? What is your grandmother or grandfather age? Fourth one, where does she or he live? In which village or in which city they live? Write the name of the village or the city in the blank. Next, you ask what is his, her or his favorite food, what they like the most. Okay. And sixth question, what is her or his favorite game? What is the favorite game? You ask them and note down in the blank, children. What is his or her favorite game? Write in the blank. And the last one, how did she or he go to school? So how they went to school? Also you ask them and note down in the blank, children. So this is homework for you. Bit K is homework. You talk to your grandfather or grandmother and write the answers in the blank. Okay, children? Okay, now with this, we'll close today's session. In today's session, we have learnt about articles a and an. Now, coming to today's your homework, children, complete all the bits of lesson 6, a visit to Granny, in your textbook. Now complete all the bits of lesson 6, a visit to Granny, in your textbook. Okay, children? Okay, that's it for today. See you in the next session. Bye, children.